Hey, you all. Carpetbagger here, coming to you live from the West. More specifically, we are in Buena Park, California, and even more specifically than that, we are here at Knott's Berry Farm, one of my favorite theme parks. And summer is the time for theme parks, and summer is quickly fading away. Feels like summer just got started. Now it's already winding down. So I figured out here in California, we're gonna do some focusing on theme parks before we head back east. And I figured today we check out Knott's. So please, follow me. Now it is Saturday today, and I normally try to avoid going to theme parks on Saturday as they are insanely busy. And judging by how long it took to find a parking spot, it seems like it possibly is insanely busy today. So got parked, now we head under the street here. One thing I like down here in the tunnel is this amazing mural of all the Knott's Berry Farm characters, the Knott's family. There's Walter Knott and his wife founded the park. Of course, you got the bears from Berry Tales. You got Whittles, the prospector, and the Cattywampus down there, one of the outlaws from the train ride. You got Snoopy and Charlie Brown, two of the IP characters. The old miner and Sasquatch, a lot of different cowboys down here. I love how Knott's kind of has its own lore. Down there you got some dinosaurs. I don't think the dinosaurs are here anymore, but you do have Sad-Eye Joe being arrested by the sheriff, and I think that's the replica of Independence Hall there back behind them that's next to the Berry Farm.
But I like this one. It says ghost time. I think it's rated.
Here up at the windmill. It's America's 250th birthday, and the cowboys are dancing. So the Ghost Town Alive event's going on, meaning there are live cowboys roaming around Ghost Town. It's always good to see these old cowpokes. And look at this, it's Founders Day. The blacksmith here, hard at work.
Friends. How are we doing on the outside world? Good. Y'all got any questions, comments, or concerns? Go ahead, let me know.
And it was over here next to the blacksmith shop where they put the Adam the Woo brand. And look at this, you can see people touching it has created discoloration right there. We're at the post office. This guy delivering boxes.
No, I ripped in my toothpaste. I already quit. Right, Dada?
Which of them? My reporter just quit.
Your reporter quit? And who are you, sir?
Bixby Knowles, editor of the Calico Gazette.
Oh, okay.
She's angry because I was helping Miss Flume, a very rich lady.
You're helping her carry these boxes?
Oh, this is for part of a grocery list. But anyway, do you think you can maybe convince Nellie to not quit the Gazette? She's right over there.
You better not quit.
Well, look who's here.
Hello, how are you?
I'm very well, sir. How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Did you just make your way into Calico?
I did, I was looking for Nellie.
Oh, you found Nellie's right here.
Nellie, I'm supposed to convince you to not quit your job as a reporter.
Too bad I quit.
Why'd you quit?
Because I believe in freedom of the press, and our boss got a little, or my editor-in-chief got a little too focused on saying nice things to get money.
Oh no, that is,
Very true.
I don't blame you actually then.
Yeah, my journalistic integrity was at stake.
Is there any other newspaper you could work for?
Oh, maybe I'll start my own. I don't know yet. The world's my oyster.
I think you
Go
should.
back to the Good Times Gazette.
Oh no, I don't want to move out of town. I want to stay right here in Calico.
Well, I'm gonna go talk to
Very nice.
So she said that she felt pressured because you were wanting her to say good things about certain people, and she felt like she had journalistic integrity.
She does.
She does.
Certainly does. Yes. Wait. So she's angry that I'm escorting around Miss Juniper Flumewasser around?
Yeah, I mean, what's your relationship with Mrs. Jennifer Flumewasser?
Well, I was digging through the town documents, and I found this legal document in the archives. Apparently, the Flumewasser family of Timberley Hills owns Calico.
Oh, yeah?
Naturally, I sent them a telegram. They are so rich. They are so rich. I was trying to do what's best for the town and have them spruce up the place. You know, put some paint on the old barn.
Yeah, I mean, you can't just suck up the rich people all the time.
Why not? They have so much money. $16,000 is more money. It was less money than what they take to the track. That's how rich they are.
Yeah.
The pockets are so deep you can't even see the bottom. I mean, you like champagne, cigars, lobster for every meal.
Lobster's nice.
I mean, like, what would you do to Calico to change it?
Well, what have they done? Would they done anything to help the town with all those deep pockets?
Absolutely. Put a second building on the bank, of course. New coat of paint, electricity, and everything.
Oh, okay.
What establishment would you add to Calico if you had that kind of money?
What kind of establishment?
Yeah.
Oh, well, what do you got? You got a saloon, right?
We do have a saloon.
You've got.
We could add another story to the saloon.
You could add
More poker tables.
more poker tables.
More dancing.
Oh yeah, like an extra stage.
Sure.
For the saloon.
Yeah. What would you want? Like a library, a hospital?
Yeah, would you have a hospital?
Yeah, sure. We don't have a hospital.
Yeah, build a hospital then.
Those are packages. Well, that looks like you got a lot of work to do, buddy.
Is that the mailman?
That is the mailman.
That's Mr. Davey. I mean, oh, there you have it.
See that Wally hired him
What?
in my place?
I hired Davey.
What, trading down?
I swore him in and I gave him a press pass.
All right.
I had to do something. We lost a reporter.
Seems we need to do a little recalibrating. Not a problem. I need to go get a drink of water.
And I quit.
Oh, he's angry. He's yelling.
That's just the pump. That's the water pump. It makes that noise.
I quit.
All right.
There's no water in there.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
The stable here. Hey, horsey. How are you doing? I didn't see horses yesterday at the OC Fair. I just saw very tiny donkeys. Oh, I almost forgot to check on Sad Eye. Are you in there, Sad Eye?
Well, if I'm not, I don't know who you're looking at right now.
I was just checking. I was hoping they'd let you out for Ghost Town Alive.
Ghost Town's alive?
Yeah, right now it is.
Usually Ghost Town's pretty dead.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Well, how are you doing today?
Well, I hear it is Founders Day out there.
It's Founders Day.
Yeah, I heard some gunshots. There's all kind of ruckus going on out
Well,
there.
maybe you're safer in here if there's gunshots.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like, maybe I don't want to be out there.
Yeah, you probably stay in here. You're safer, Sad Eye.
Yeah. These bars are to protect me, not keep me in.
Yeah. All right. Well, you take care.
All right, you too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh my darling, Calico and Christy
Casey, unless you just want to be friends, in which case that's totally cool.
It's all right.
Like a no pressure type of situation.
If you want to say yes, that's good.
From the schoolhouse to the depot, there's no place I'd rather be except for the hoedown with you, Christy Casey. Unless you already have a date, in which case that's fine. I'll see you there, but it would be really nice to be with me. That's not to say I don't want to go. It's just trying to make sure that it's
You're
a consent
comfortable and
thing.
everything's fine.
Yeah.
I will go to hoedown with you. And it's really catchy. I can sing along with that.
It's an earworm, isn't it?
Okay, this sign says there's a hoedown at 4 o'clock. Wait, that guy jumped on the back. I think he's the outlaw.
All right, everybody, we're gonna open these gates, allowing everybody to cross. Please be patient. Let us get all 4, not 2. All 4 of our gates open.
Can I get a big Calico yeehaw?
Yeehaw!
Fantastic. My name is Gilbert Weitzel, and I am so excited to have you all. We already got people dancing over here. Look at that. My goodness. We're going to have our Calico folks coming in the promenade shortly. We got a circle going right over here. Makes me here a little long. Here's our Calico promenade. Right over here.
Promenade.
Spot for each flag on either side of the stage flag.
Meet in the middle, and everybody head back. Now everybody change sides. Now everybody meet in the middle, and everybody step back. Now everybody change sides. Hey, here we go.
I guess that makes one of us that is leaving because I've actually decided to stay in Calico. Turns out I've fallen in love with this town and with Miss Nora Nicolay.
You know, outlaws, bylaws, in-laws, common laws, or no laws at all. When we're together, we're home.
And whatever the future holds, we're gonna face it together.
Oh. Let's take that somewhere else.
I think we'll head into the Calico Saloon to get a sarsaparilla. Okay, got the Sioux City sarsaparilla.
Why are you drinking on the job, huh? Yeah, I saw you. Here's five. All right, ladies, it's about that time. You ready? Hey, folks, who wants to see a magic trick? All right, pressure's on. Hey, Marilyn, you can count to 3 for me.
Yes, I can.
Thank you, darling.
A 1, a 2, a 3.
Oh, Barstow.
How's that see do it?
All right, can everyone hear me all right down here? How about me? Can y'all hear me?
I think it's about time we woke up and played us a little introduction. Great job, Amber.
Buttermilk sky, I'm keeping my eye peeled on you. What's the good word tonight? Are you gonna be mellow tonight?
Let's go for a train ride. Oh, watch out, there's an outlaw.
Bye now, y'all. Hey, anyone? Oh, look.
All right, let's find us a good seat on the train.
Where do you want to go?
All aboard. All aboard. Dreams and fortunes and all the pioneer spirits of the West. Walter Knott was on him. Have a great journey, and we'll see you back at the station.
And by the old Boot Hill Cemetery.
Oh, what's here?
The train robbers.
Your hero is here. Give me your money. Sorry. Yelling too much.
You scared that child.
I know. Hey, don't. Sorry. Silver earrings for no money. No, if you can buy earrings, you have money.
I'll tell you what, partner.
I'm asking for money.
No money, just credit card.
What about over here?
Oh, we're broke. We got kids.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, here. All right.
I know that's right, but you might not be. I dropped out first. Y'all got anything over here for me, folks? Gold, silver, diamonds, chains.
How about you? Looking out the window and doing
She just don't want to hear what I have to say no more. Yeah, all right.
What about right here?
Look at this kid. He's doing it. If I don't see him, he don't see me. Smart man right there. I don't know who taught him that, but that is up there in the sport.
Looks like our train ride has come to an end. Okay, so this is the town of Calico. We just got off the Calico Railroad, and now we're gonna be hopping on the Calico Mine Company. This is a pretty amazing dark ride. One of the dark rides I always like to hop on while I am here. Here comes our train. How's it going? We'll hop here in the front of the train.
Also, there's no eating, drinking, absolutely no smoking inside the mine. Last thing, feel free to take as many pictures and videos as you like. Lots of cool stuff to see in this here mine. But please be sure to keep those flashlights and camera lights off, no phone lights or flash photography for the safety of our miners. That being said, let's go find ourselves some gold! Woohoo! This here mine. We're clear, all clear. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a very special guest aboard this train, the world famous Carpetbagger in the front row. Hi, Jacob. Welcome to Knott's Berry Farm.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Well, howdy, folks. The next cutter campaign, and we're moving on.
Heading into the mine.
Take a look at some lovely mud pumps. The area old Mother Earth's always a churning and boiling.
Like pots of water.
In search of gold, only to have her belch right in his face. Girl, that ain't very ladylike.
Oh, the headlights on. There's the powder room.
No thanks, nothing there.
Look at all those miners. Cannon for gold. Shit there.
They tell me you can change your underground review into a fan.
Now y'all can't be too careful in this here mine, folks.
Be too careful. beauty of the cave.
Wow, wait! What a sight! Just look at all them formations.
I like this guy.
Look at that! Someone lives down here the whole walker.
Yeah, look at all that. So many animatronics in here. The glory hole. We're headed in. Look at those vultures. Faster. Alright, always a blast.
Head on over to the
Calico Mine. And we went from the Calico Railroad to the Calico Mine. And now we're heading over to the Calico Logging Company. Pretty excited about hopping back on the old log flume. This wasn't open yet for the season when I was here last time, when I was filming the roller coasters with my extreme super cool glasses. But now the flume's up and running, and we can document our trip through the flume with my super cool glasses. See how soggy this gets. I'd say mildly soggy. Not too bad. Okay, let's do this. And we are ready for a flume. And here comes our log. We'll be riding in row 1. The soggiest row. Okay, it is a snug fit here in the log. Knock on wood for good luck. All right. And here we go. Oh, a little sloshy there. Now we get on the conveyor and head up to the top. Now there is animatronics in here, but it goes really fast, so I'm gonna do my best to look at them.
Save some moonshine for me.
Got a little mini drop. Oh, Lord. Oh, my feet got wet. Oh, look at this. Pretty terrifying. Woo. And careening down the tube. Look at these rapids. The jamboree in here. The donkey. Hey, it's a hobo. Ah! Oh, no. Okay. I was worried that was going to pull right on my head. Who's this guy? He's a logger, I think. Oh, I got splashed. A little bit wind in my mouth. Tasted fine. Oh my gosh. You were just rocketed down this tube by actual force of water. Oh man, I'm getting splashed. Underneath the waterfall. Oh, it's dark and spooky in here. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh, my feet just got really, really wet. Who's that? Where are we? Really dark and wet in here. Guy camping there. Oh, it's a bear. Jamboree, hoedown going on. Ah. Oh no. Here's the big drop. Here's that big old drop. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Fire in the hole. Dynamite. Oh no. All right. Oh dear. Worst thing is my feet are soaking wet. I think this log has a leak. All right. But here we are. That was the Flume here at Knott's. So I love that ride. I hope you guys got a good look at it. Just so much going on. The animatronics, you know, keeps in the theming of Knott's Berry Farm, of the ghost town of Calico, of, you know, their characters here. You'd see, you know, wild things, people dancing, all herds of wild figures. Kind of a continuation of the mine train ride next door. They kind of all, you know, fall into that same universe. But I love it. I'm so happy that I can finally use these super cool glasses to be able to show you guys. Now this is another dark ride type ride, the Knott's Berry Tales. It's actually based off an old dark ride they had here at Knott's, but it was brought back as more of a hybrid dark ride shooting gallery. But I figure I will take my glasses and show you guys what it's like. Let's head in to the boysenberry factory. See some of those giant boysenberries. There's 3D glasses here. I can't wear these because I'm wearing my other glasses, and you'll have to put your glasses on at home. All right, and our chariot awaits. All right, sit here in the middle. I think this comes forward. There it goes. And then we get our jelly blaster. It's a jar of boysenberry jam. I think we pull the trigger by pulling on the little berry on the back. All right, so you're ready with that.
I'm so excited I can hardly bear it.
All right. Let's see. I think the storyline is that there's coyotes trying to steal boysenberry. So we gotta blast them. Okay, you can see the pies, like a conveyor belt of pies right there. See the pies moving right there. Oh, what's this? We're in the forest, the mushrooms. I guess we could just blast everything. Can't let those coyotes get away with pies. Why would coyotes eat pies anyways? Don't they like flesh? These are the bears. The bears run the factory. The coyotes steal from it. Why are coyotes in media always stealing things? I'm gonna shoot at the shadows here in the tent. What is my score? 36,000? Seems like I'm doing pretty good. Oh, who's that? The Thunder Cave. Oh, cave is full of thunder and spiders. There's a pie truck. There, shoot the pies, shoot the pies. Oh, there's the bears there, getting their family photo taken. Oh, where are we? We're being pulled by a hot air balloon, I think. There's the coyotes falling to their doom. Oh, there's all the bears. And there I am, 55,000 points. You can take that to the bank. These are the best scores of the day. I got 55,000. These guys blew me out of the water. Exit here through the arcade. Look at this. I don't know if I've seen this before. There's blobfish. There's blobfish here in this crane machine. Oh no. Oh no. Are you telling me our blobfish the new axolotl? From the arcade we exit to the gift shop. It's pretty cool. You can actually buy the little characters in the ride. Different members of the bear family. The evil coyotes that steal pie. This old ride vehicle here is from the Soapbox Racer defunct ride here at Knott's. Oh, there's a little Whittles. Whittles is the little prospector, the cartoon prospector that is a mascot here. Oh, and look at that. We got some Christmas ornaments. We got a Sad-Eye Joe Christmas ornament. I guess they still got some items here for the Boysenberry Festival. Just ended. Oh, this is a mini block of Knott's Berry Stand, which is what this park started out as. It was a stand that sold berries, and now it's one of the biggest, most amazing theme parks in the country. They have some Knott's asparagus shirts and rhubarb. Looks like the train's going by. That bear's got himself a salmon. And just when we thought we were done with the Calico rides, here's Calico River Rapids. I have never been on here. This is one of those soggy, tubular boat rides. So I hate this type of ride. It's when you're in a big spinning circle and you fly down a river and then you get splashed and waves go over your head. And it's really an unpleasant time for everyone involved. This one, I've never been on, but it has animatronics on it. Supposedly there's a Bigfoot lurking somewhere on this ride. Like I don't want to ride this. I kind of want to ride it. I want to see the animatronics. But these get you so wet. Some of my most unpleasant theme park experiences are from this type of ride. I remember, I talked about the great trauma I endured at Six Flags Great America. Another time I went there, I got on one of these. Just thinking, oh, it's a boat ride. It's a big circle boat. And then I got completely drenched and I was miserable. And then one time, my daughter convinced me to go on Kali River Rapids at Animal Kingdom. And as we went down the hill, I was on the bottom of the boat, so an entire wave went over just my head. Everyone else was bone dry, but I got completely soaking wet. And I'm not looking forward to this. Not looking forward to this, but I'm gonna put my glasses on, and we're gonna head through. Oh my gosh. Oh, they got a little wet there. Check out this moonshine still here in the queue. You gotta have, every theme park's gotta have its own moonshine still. Oh my goodness. There's some poor soggy souls being brought back to dry land. We're bored over here on this spinning disc. All right, our chariot awaits. It looks like there's a safe spot in the middle where you could put your stuff.
Remain seat all the way in, guys, all the way in. Keep it nice and secure. All right, remain seat all the time. Keep up the gate fast and stuff one put it away.
Thank you,
Under the bridge here. Oh, you never know which way you're going to be spinning. Ooh. There's a little drizzle there. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh, gee. Oh man. Oh, there's a little drop here. Oh Lord. Oh, jeez. Oh, I hear howling. Oh man. Oh, there's a guy on the porch firing his gun like a maniac. Who's he? A raccoon? Oh, jeez. It's a bear. Oh, gosh. Oh, I think I can steer it away from the flashes.
Oh, my God.
Gotta keep an eye out for Bigfoot. I wanted to see the Bigfoot. Some foxes in the hen house here. Oh! Oh, throw it backwards. Oh, I think that bear's over here. Jeez. Hey, there's a bear. Oh my gosh. I don't like going backwards. Oh. Ah! Okay. I've seen that Sasquatch. Oh, here's the cave. I think, is he in here? Oh, there he is. There's Sasquatch. You guys see him? Ah! All right. Oh! All right, I think we're back into the station. All right, let's get all our dry stuff.
Stay seated. All
right. Oh, the whole world is moving. So that wasn't that bad. I've gotten much wetter on this type of ride in the past. The worst thing again, my feet. My feet are wet again. My feet were never really dry, but now they're wetter than they were. So some more wet feet. I really hate having my feet wet. Sorry guys. I need to get some waterproof shoes, or maybe I can duct tape plastic bags to my shoes when I'm on rides such as this. I think I got a good peek at Bigfoot. Saw a few other crazy things while we were on the ride. Oh, I didn't even notice as we were on the ride. There's a woodpecker there pecking on the flume, causing water to drip on people's heads. You fly by so fast you don't notice all the details. There you see the little prairie dogs, the bear cub. I always try to make sure to say hello to the cattywampus, the big cattywampus and the baby cattywampus that live over here in Ghost Town. We have the bottle house here. This gift shop made entirely out of bottles. Well, at least mostly out of bottles. See, it's got bottles. See the bottom of the bottles. And they got concrete. I guess if we go in, you can see, yep, you can see the actual neck of the bottles. It looks like they sell some Native American items in here. Yeah, look at the Kokopelli. Oh, who would wear a cowboy hat that tiny? Maybe my cats could wear these. Here at the Wagon Camp, we got Crazy Kirk and the Hillbillies playing. The box seats here, you can actually sit in wagons and watch the concert.
Oh, I remember it very well, the day of Dooley died. Women folk looked sorry, the men stood around and cried. They took him to the mountain, he lies there all alone. Put a jug beside him and a barrel for a stone.
A roller coaster in the theater.
Goodnight show, me gotta go, me oh my oh. Me gotta go, pull the B-road down the mile. Going where the sun keeps shining through the pouring rain.
Was a big fan of Crazy Kirk and the Hillbillies. Adam would come out here when he knew they were playing at Knott's, and the band would actually try to get him to play with them. They wanted him to pick up his old bass guitar and play with them, but he was always like, I can't do that. And we will exit through the gift shop. First, I'm always looking for Knott shirts. I don't have one. Here's the Calico Mine Ride, but I don't know about that art style. Then there's Knott's Opoly. It's got the whole Knott's Opoly board on the t-shirt. It's a lot of detail. Okay, I think I like this one. I like the red color. Pretty simple design. Knott's Ghost Town. Yeah, I think I'm getting this one. I do already have the Sad-Eyed Joe bust at home. Selling a bunch of Snoopies over here. And then this is like a cube-shaped Snoopy. Would that make him a Cupie? And a great place to buy clothes if you want to dress like Charlie Brown every day for the rest of your life. Some merch for Montezuma Forbidden Forest, formerly known as Montezuma's Revenge. It's a roller coaster. It's been closed for years, that they're supposed to be reopening soon. Let's see if they'll seat me here at the chicken dinner restaurant, even though I'm not wearing socks and I'm soaking wet. Yeah, here is Walter Knott and his wife, Cordelia Knott. Now, I'm sure there's lots of good things on the menu. Yeah, things that I'd like to try someday, but always order the same thing. Always go with the Mrs. Knott's famous fried chicken. To start out, I got some zero sugar, boysenberry punch, some salad and soup. There's chicken noodle soup. Yeah, I love this this berry punch. My chicken has arrived. Got half a chicken here, some mashed potatoes, and some corn. It's good chicken. We will finish up with a little bit of boysenberry pie. Really good. So thank you for coming along with me today, visiting Knott's Berry Farm, one of my favorite theme parks to visit. Love the Ghost Town area, the Wild West area. Love the Ghost Town Alive event, and of course my favorite event at Knott's is Knott's Scary Farm. And hoping to be back here in a month or two to do Scary Farm. But yeah, had a lot of fun today. Hope some of that footage with the glasses was good. Hopefully you guys could see what was going on. I am hoping, I'm still concocting a plan, but I'm hoping to get some good use out of these filming glasses while I'm out here on the West Coast. So stay tuned the next upcoming days and weeks here on the West Coast. But thank you for watching today. Special thank you to those of you that watch multiple days, watch more than one video. There's even a small percentage of you who watch every video, and I thank you guys so much for that. It is truly and greatly appreciated. If you are new to the channel, I travel around the United States and sometimes outside of the United States. I've been to all 50 US states and look for roadside attractions, theme parks, museums, haunted houses, and just other fun stuff. Literally anything that's fun is what I am looking for. Love to do road trips. Just completed a 17-day Route 66 road trip. Do a lot of road trips on this channel. Also do train trips, cruises. Sometimes I may get an airplane and fly around in the sky and land places I want to go. If you enjoy these videos and you'd like to help contribute to the channel, consider Patreon. $3 or more will get you a postcard once a month from me to you. We also have a souvenir shop, which will be back open soon now that Jen is home. And we have a Cameo. If you want to order a personalized video message from me for yourself, for a friend, for a family member, for any occasion or no occasion at all those things are in the description of this video, and all those things help to keep this train on the track, this boat in the water, and this dirigible in the air. Till next time, my friends, this one's in the bag.